Turn up like a man. Hey. Oh, this nigga Ant Long, bro. Like, bro, this nigga talking shit. Bro. Yeah, I didn't want to join this dude. I don't want to join Ant, man. Bro, what an Ant Long, bro. What? This dude gonna probably talk mess to me.